Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our virtual class. Today our topic is narration, and today we are going to learn how to change direct narration into indirect narration of imperative sentence. So, first, while changing narration, we have to observe whether the reported speech is assertive, interrogative or imperative. If we see that the reporting speech is in imperative sentence, then we will have to make some certain change. So if the speech is imperative sentence, then at first we have to notice that it is an imperative sentence. So imperative sentence basically refers to advise, order, forbid, request, propose or suggest. And if the imperative sentence of the reported speech refers to advice, then we have to make certain changes. Change number 1, said to, reporting verb. At first we will have to change reporting verb. Then we will have to change inverted comma. And as there is no subperson in this imperative sentence, so we don't have to make the change of person, and we will also not change the tense. So now I am writing the answer. Rupa. So read more. This is imperative sentence and it refers a advice. If the imperative sentence refers advice, then we will have to write advised. So where we will write advice? We will write advice instead of said to. So said to will convert it to advice if the reported speech or if the imperative sentence indicates to advice. So Rupa advised me. Inverted comma we will change to. So we will make change inverted comma, and inverted comma we will change to infinity to. So now we can see that we make just two changes. Number 1, said to converted to advice as the reported speech indicates advice. So read more, it's an advising comment, statement. So I change said to advice and inverted comma to. And there is no person in this sentence, so we don't have to make the person change. Next, tense change. As we use infinity to, so we should not make any tense change. So it's very easy. I hope you understand the change of direct into indirect narration of imperative sentence. So while changing imperative sentence direct into indirect, at first we have to change reporting verb. Reporting verb will change according to the statement. So if the statement is advice, then we will write advice. If the statement is order, then we will write order. If the statement is forbid, then we will write forbid. If the statement is request, then we will write request. Or if the statement indicates propose or suggest, then we will write proposed or suggest instead of said to. So said to converted to advice and inverted comma converted to. As there is no person change, so we don't make any person change. And next, there will be no tense change. There will be no tense change. It will remain unchanged. Next, the captain told fire. So we can observe or notice that fire. That's an order. So this imperative sentence refers to an order. So the captain told. So we will not write told. We will write what? As it is referring to an order, we will write ordered instead of told. So as told is in past form, so I write the past form of order. So it is ordered, and inverted comma will convert to. Next, fire. As there is no person, and that's why we don't change any person, and after infinity to, we should not make any tense change. Next, the next sentence, he told me, please help me. So we can see, please help me. Please help me. Please help me. So, please, this statement refers to requested. So, if the imperative sentence refers to request, then we will write he will not write told. We will write request. We will write as it refers to request. So, we will write said to or told into request, and told here is in past form. So, we will write the past form of request. So, it will be requested. He requested me, inverted comma will be changed to infinitive, and now we will not write the word please. Next, as after infinitive there will be no change of tense, so we write the present form of tense help. And now you can see here me, this is a person, and in the first sentence and second sentence we don't observe or notice any person. And if we notice or see any person, then we will have to make the person change. Me, as it is first person and it is in objective form, so me will change according to subject he. So here me is in object form, and we know the object form of he is him. So from the three sentences we can see that while changing imperative, the narration of imperative sentence direct into indirect, we have to make some certain changes. Number one, if the imperative sentence refers to advice, we will change said to into advice, and inverted comma will change to, and there will be no change, and if there is no person, there will also be no person change. Next, if the imperative sentence refers to order, we will write told, we will not write told or said to, we will write ordered. If the statement refers to request, then we will write said to or told into requested. Next, we have I am writing another example. He told me, do not go there. So this is imperative sentence, and this statement refers to forbid. If the imperative sentence or the statement refers to forbid, then we will write subject, and we will write told or said to. Instead of told and said to, we will write forbid, and forbid, this is present form, we will write the past form of forbid, that is forbid. So forbid me, there will be no, will change inverted comma into to. As we write forbid, so we should not write do not or never. If the statement is forbid, and we will use forbid instead of told and said to, then we will not write do not or never. So we will write after do not and never, go there. Next, she told me, let's play. Another example, he said to me, let us go out. So let's and let us, this imperative sentence starts with let's and let us, and if the imperative sentence starts with let's and let us, it indicates it refers to suggest. If the imperative sentence starts with let's and let us, that refers to suggest. So we will make some changes. First one, told will convert it to, as it is in past form, suggest, so it will be suggested. Just keep in your mind that if the imperative sentence starts with let's or let us, then it refers to suggest. So it will, so while the sentence starts with let's and let us, we will write suggest instead of told or said to. If it is in past form, then we will write suggested, then object, and we will not write in inverted comma and let's we will not write let's, we will just write the present form of the verb and we will add after this verb. So she suggested me playing. So example, next example, he, so we will write say suggested instead of said to. So suggested, next me, and we will not make any change of inverted comma and we will not write let us. So we will just add ing after the present form of the verb and after the word. So thank you very much for watching our classes. We will contact next class tomorrow. Thank you.